Copy and paste of keyframes, like copying this move to the side here, can really be a pain. We pasted the keys to the red box here, and the result does not take into account the original position of the box. I want to show you a smarter method to paste keyframes, which adjusts the keyframes before pasting them to create a seamless animation, and it even adjusts the existing keyframes behind the pasted ones. So let's say in this animation we want to copy this move of the circle to the side to the red box, but we've got the problem that in the end there are already other animations already behind this move. Okay, and also they are not in exactly the same position. So this means if we would simply take the two keyframes of the circle where it moves to the side and do with our keyboard shortcut Command C, Command V, a paste to the box. Let's insert them here a little bit later, like here. You can see the desired result is not happening because the box is first moving exactly to the position where the circle was, then is moving exactly to the end of this position, and then is moving back to its original location and moving down here. You can do this much more clever with our extension automation blocks with the copy, paste, and fit keyframes to selected properties script. So let me undo what we did so far. And now instead we use the copy, paste, and fit keyframes to all selected properties script here of automation blocks. And you can see that this tool has no user interface. This icon here for user interface is missing. And what we need to do instead in this case is to go to the code of this block script and do some work here. So we first need to choose the keyframes that it should copy. And we just do this by selecting the keyframes on the circle layer in this case, and click this icon to connect them. Now the keyframe data is stored inside this block. And now we just go to the position where we want to paste the keyframes and choose the position of the box where we want to apply those keyframes and run the script. As you can see, the two keyframes have been pasted here now, but they have been adjusted to the location of the box. So this means if we now look at our animation again, everything works as expected. So both the move starts from here and not from the location of the circle, and also the subsequent animation where the box moves out now properly starts from here and not where it was originally. So the exact behavior, how the keyframes are adjusted, the surrounding keyframes, can be controlled with these two drop downs here, but usually the default options are exactly what you need. Last remark, also if you like to use the keyframe libraries where we can load entire keyframe presets and save them, these scripts also have the same behavior, so they also adjust the keyframes exactly as you've seen it here.